Riding high. The joy of being on cloud nine. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an expression that's all about happiness and elation, being on cloud nine. Whether you've come across it in a book, heard it in a conversation, or stumbled upon it in a song, understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also enrich your expressions of joy and contentment. So, let's soar together into the world of this fascinating phrase. Being on cloud nine is a popular English idiom that describes a state of extreme happiness or euphoria. When someone says they're on cloud nine, they're telling you they couldn't be happier. It's a metaphorical expression, suggesting that the person is so high on the scale of happiness, they're up in the clouds. But not just any cloud. The ninth one, which, in the realm of imagination, is a place of pure joy and bliss. The exact origins of being on cloud nine are a bit cloudy, pun intended, but there are a few theories. One popular theory links it to weather phenomena, specifically the International Cloud Atlas, which, in its early editions, classified clouds into types, with the ninth type being the very high cumulonimbus. These towering clouds can reach great heights, and their association with being high up might have inspired the phrase, symbolizing being at the top of one's happiness. Another theory suggests it comes from American slang in the 1950s, gaining popularity through widespread usage in music, literature, and everyday conversation. Regardless of its origins, the phrase has cemented its place in English vernacular as a symbol of peak happiness. To use on cloud nine correctly, it's important to remember it describes a feeling of great joy. Here are a few examples to guide you. After receiving the news of her promotion, she was on cloud nine all day. Winning the championship left the whole team on cloud nine. I've been on cloud nine ever since I found out I'm going to be a parent. Notice that it's often used with the verb to be, am, is, are, was, were, and can fit into past, present, and future tense sentences, making it a versatile addition to your emotional expression toolkit. Understanding and using phrases like being on cloud nine can add color and depth to your English. It's not just about learning vocabulary. It's about capturing feelings and experiences in words. We hope this exploration has lifted your spirits and maybe even put you a little closer to cloud nine yourself. Remember, language learning is a journey of discovery, and every new phrase enriches your understanding and expression. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel inspired to spread joy in your own way, using the beautiful vehicle of the English language. Until next time, keep learning, stay happy, and maybe find your own cloud nine.